This is where the Jurassic Park movie, they shoot it here, right? They film it here. Look at this place. And across the street is the beach. Oh, amazing reef.
Behind the coconut trees, you're gonna see a brown house. That brown house was Mr. Miyagi's house with Running Kid Park.
Wow! Woo! Mr. Miyagi!
They call it, or sometimes known as Jurassic Valley.
Jurassic Valley.
Now, the reason it's called that is because it's called Jurassic World and Jurassic World Fallen Kingdom. Every time they show the whole park in those movies, this was the view right here. Right now. Every time they film the whole park, all of the buildings that were down in the open area down there, all of the buildings of the park were all CGI, computer generated, were never really there.
Yeah.
Right? And two more are in front of us, slightly off to the left. Alright? You can really see one in the hillside right over here on the left-hand side. Now these footprints were supposed to be in Fiji. That's where they said they were when they found these footsteps. Now, when they were filming these footsteps, my favorite film, 51st Date. Oh, yeah. This was the road right here. That Lucy, the very first character, would drive to work every single day. All the surrounding area is all in the background. When you watch those full frontier, he got his stunt double to be range and wing him back to with a giant.
Wow, look at this place. Mountains, ocean, beach.